Fresh Restoration by Able. We're over here at a commercial water loss. We got some fans set up. They have concrete floors. So we got some DVs set up with buckets on this side and the business side. We'll go back over here in a second. They had a sprinkler head that popped a couple days ago from the freeze. But anyway, they gave Bob a call and we got on it, so they gave us the go ahead, signed a work authorized, we got started. So we'll do a little walkthrough here real quick. You can see we got some air wavers over here. Put the mat, pull them down. So we're trying to set this up so they can conduct business. So it's clearing around all the walls and the perimeter so they can conduct business. We're here to help our customers so they can continue making money while we're doing our job.